Burger King 47, and for today's video, I am going to show you guys what's better. Microwave chocolate milk or chocolate milk on the pan. Now, this is a different pan, and this is a different spatula, because I feel like these would be better. Plus, this one is just, it's more like, it's more taller, so I can fit like more milk in there. But yeah. Anyways, let's get on with this video, shall we? So of course, we're gonna use king-sized Hershey's chocolate milk. And I bought more because my brother ate half the chocolate. And of course, our milk is the good old A2 organic whole milk, ultra pasteurized, half gallon. And I'm going to use 2 cups for 2 different chocolate milks. Okay, so yeah, if you could come closer. As you can see, I'm going to turn the burner up to just 3. 3 is all we need. So, next thing we're gonna do is, last video, I already showed you guys how to make it in the pan. And like a few videos before that video, I showed you guys the microwave, how to make it in the microwave. So I'll just speed this up. Yeah. Okay guys, now that I have put my milk in the cup, poured it in the pan, and put some chocolate in it, and heated it up to like 3, it's just low heat of course, and the burner's on right now. And as you can get closer, it hasn't melted very well yet. With a wooden spatula, as you can say that, we're gonna whisk it a little bit. See that? It's now starting to get like more like a light brown. And just to let you guys know, what I did off camera was that I chopped these chocolates so that it can get much easier. But don't worry, I used 2 bars. And by 2 bars, I mean like these, like 1, 2. Because I obviously did that before I chopped them off camera. But anyways, while it's heating up, let's focus on the microwave here. Same thing I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do it while the milk and the chocolate heats up. And just to let you guys know, my dad's recording. Yeah, he's my cameraman today, and so yeah, let's do this. As you guys can see, I put the microwave to 1 minute, and then I'm gonna stir it with a spoon, and then I'm gonna put it 1 minute again so it can do stuff with it, so it can melt evenly. But anyways, let's focus on the let's focus on the pan chocolate. As you can see, it's melting now. So time to stir it. As you can see, it's not turning very white. It's not turning to like a light brownish color. Oh, my 1 minute's up. Let me just finish stirring. Okay. It's good. Now I'm gonna turn it off. As you can see, the burner's off now because the light isn't there anymore. The light is off. And with my spoon, I need like a towel. With my spoon, I'm gonna stir it. Let me just show you guys to get a closer look. I'm stirring it right now while it's cooling off. Same thing here. It's turning to like brown color. And yeah, that's basically it. And now here it's turning brown. Gonna want to mix that again. Okay. Let it cool some more. Same here. It's turning brown. Yeah, and just to let you guys know, I'm gonna check in when these two are cooled. Yeah. Okay, guys. My hot chocolate milk in a pan now has cooled off. My chocolate milk from the microwave also cooled off. Now, I didn't need to pour this one because it was already in the microwave. But this, it's a pan, so it needs to get poured on the cup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour what's in the pan into the cup, which is obviously chocolate milk. And then after that, we're gonna put the spoon just like that. And of course, I did not put a spoon in the microwave. That would end really badly. Which is what I did. I got this cup of chocolate milk out of the microwave and put the spoon in. Safety first. Just fast and boom. Now I just need to put this spoon here. And just like that, we have the chocolate milk in the pan and the chocolate milk in the microwave. So why don't I start taste testing and see which one's better? But before I start taste testing, I just want to tell you guys something that me personally, I would do the chocolate milk in a pan because doing it in the microwave could get really messy. So yeah. And also microwaves also make just a tiny bit of radiation, but it can still do no good. But yeah. So let's start taste testing. So guys, right here are the chocolate milks. But there's not just any chocolate milk. This one was made in the pan, which is why I put it closer to the pan. This one was made from a microwave, which is why I put it closer to the pan. Admittedly, they might look the same, but really they aren't. This one's more like a This one's more like a light brown, and this one's like brown. But of course, if I just shake it a little, shake these two, they can look pretty similar. So, time to taste test. Of course, first I'm gonna do the one in the pan, which is my personal favorite. Just gotta stir a little and enjoy. I give this a 10 out of 10. The reason I did this is 10 out of 10 because you can really taste the chocolate milk. Would recommend also. Yeah. And although I do love chocolate, it deserves more love because it's technically homemade. Of course, look at the microwave over here, and you can see what I mean by the cup getting messy in the microwave is this. As you can see, we've got the milk sticking to the cup. Also here, which could do no good. But let's just taste the chocolate milk. Give a stir. Enjoy. I give this one a 9 out of 10, which is, it's because, many foods made in the microwave get radiation, so, which is not the best option. And also, it's a bit warmer. And of course, I also give it a 9 out of 10 because, I showed you guys the milk markings on the milk, on the cup. Wait, this one's colder and it gives more like a chocolate feeling to your body. Now, which one is better? Time for the ultimate. Let's see which one is better. The chocolate milk that is better is the chocolate milk made in the pan. No questions. This is the reason because you don't have to worry about your cup having milk markings. And of course, this is the microwave one. And you don't have to worry about the milk spilling in the microwave and it getting messy. And while the pan's much better. Although it's colder, when you drink it, it's just good. So yeah, that is my final answer. This one's a 10 out of 10. This one's a 9 out of 10. And this one's better than this one. So, it looks like this is going to be the end of this video. So, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss on any of these videos that I make. And until next time, goodbye.